Hey friends, if you wish to open an XPS file on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select Optional Features. Now wait for the list to load, it needs a while. Scroll down and check if you have the XPS viewer. Assume that you don't have it, so I'll remove it. Then click on View Features and search for XPS. Click on this option here, select Next and add it. Let the XPS viewer be added, and once it is added, then you can use this viewer to view XPS files. It works just like any other application on your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.